The AI trends of 2025 have just started, and they're already causing a stir in every industry you can think of.
Of AI completing tasks, not every task, but many tasks, is so impactful. We really want AI to be able to do the work. We've completed this entire task. That was 2024 for AI. It was all about agents. 2025 and beyond likely will be about swarms of AI agents, networks of AI agents, them working together and maybe even against each other to some result.
If you're new to all this and wonder why everyone keeps saying that AI is about to transform our world, this video will guide you through the major developments. By the end, you'll have a solid grasp of the 11 key AI shifts happening right now, all backed by the latest AI news and breakthroughs. Let's start. Number 11. AI converges with neuroscience. AI isn't just about chatbots or image recognition anymore. Researchers are blending AI with neuroscience to improve both human cognition and machine intelligence. At the Consumer Electronics Show, CES, in 2025, entire sections are devoted to AI-driven healthcare, education, and brain scans. Some prototypes use neural feedback devices that adapt to your unique brain signals, allowing doctors to spot potential memory issues sooner. Large tech companies are analyzing subtle patterns in brain waves to predict certain neurological risks.
Elon Musk announced that for the first time, his company Neuralink implanted a brain chip in a human as part of a preliminary clinical trial.
This is fascinating. Neuralink aims to help people living with debilitating conditions communicate and control external devices with their thoughts.
This isn't just a futuristic lab experiment. It's a real push to figure out how our brain's processes can inform machine learning and how machine learning can help us better understand the brain. This convergence stands to redefine how quickly we can identify mental health conditions, and it might even speed up research on AI systems designed to mimic certain human cognitive abilities. Number 10. Retrieval-augmented generation, RAG. RAG is a new approach that lets AI models draw on large external databases or document sets in real time, rather than relying solely on data learned during training. This means the AI can answer questions with depth and up-to-date information by looking up what it needs. Picture an AI assisting a lawyer on benefits appeals, sifting through thousands of pages of regulations and legal precedents on the spot. Or imagine a medical AI that checks the newest research studies when diagnosing unusual conditions. RAG reduces the chance of the AI providing outdated or incorrect information because it doesn't rely on a locked-in set of facts. Instead, it searches for the best available data. Google's AI overviews, powered by its Gemini language model, is already implementing something similar in search, merging fresh, relevant data with its language generation. It's also an important step toward making AI more trustworthy by giving it the ability to verify what it's saying in real time. Number 9. Democratization of AI. For years, advanced AI tools were limited to experts who knew how to code or had access to powerful servers. That's rapidly changing. Cloud providers and startups are releasing platforms that anyone can use. Amazon Web Services, AWS, recently upgraded Bedrock, its managed generative AI service, to feature simpler interfaces and more varied models. Microsoft is investing billions in data centers to lower infrastructure costs for AI developers. As a result, you don't need a PhD to benefit from algorithms that handle complex tasks, whether you're a teacher grading essays, a graphic designer building mock-ups, or a business owner seeking supply chain insights. This shift means that AI is moving from niche corners of tech into the everyday workflows of people who never thought they'd use machine learning. Number 8. Advanced AI in social media. Social media platforms are harnessing AI to make content creation faster and more intuitive. TikTok, Meta, and others are all in on AI-driven video enhancements, allowing even casual users to generate, edit, or refine video clips in seconds. Pika Labs released an upgraded AI video generator that turns simple text prompts into polished short films. This could also change how moderation works, as these algorithms can spot and filter harmful or misleading posts. Although there are still concerns about false positives or unintentional censorship, the result is a dramatic shift in how content is produced. People without traditional editing skills can now create high-quality videos, giving rise to new storytellers and formats. You might start noticing your feed filling up with eye-catching clips made possible by behind-the-scenes algorithms that handle tasks like color correction, transitions, and even writing captions, all in the blink of an eye. Number 7. Edge AI. Edge AI refers to running advanced models directly on local devices. such as smartphones, cameras, or household gadgets, instead of relying on distant cloud servers. This is a big deal for anything that requires immediate action or has privacy concerns. Imagine a smartwatch that spots potential heart abnormalities without sending all your health data to a remote server. Or consider traffic cameras that process video on the spot, identifying violations in real time. Performing AI tasks locally cuts down on network delays and keeps sensitive information on the device itself. The boom in specialized AI chips at events like CES confirms that major tech companies want to make powerful on-device processing more widespread. As edge devices get smarter, we'll see them appear in everything from kitchen appliances to workplace security systems, offering instant insights without needing a constant internet connection. Number 6. Human-in-the-loop augmentation. Even though AI has advanced quickly, many systems are designed to work alongside people, not replace them. In medicine, for instance, AI might highlight potential abnormalities in a patient's scan, but a doctor makes the final call. In law, AI tools can draft the initial version of a contract, but an attorney adds context and ensures legal compliance. This approach keeps human wisdom at the center, while AI handles repetitive or data-heavy tasks. It's a balanced form of collaboration that reduces mistakes and builds trust. Number 5. Near-infinite memory. One major ambition in AI is building systems that can access massive amounts of information without getting bogged down. The term near-infinite memory doesn't mean actual infinite storage. It's about architectures that let models quickly refer to huge external databases whenever they need a piece of information. When a new disease outbreak occurs, for example, a public health AI could scan updated patient records and global health data in real time to spot trends before they become crises.
New hopes for kinder treatment is immunotherapy. That's drugs that work alongside your own immune system to kill cancer cells. Scientists here at Lab Genius in southeast London are harnessing the power of robotics and AI. They're hoping it'll help them find new immunotherapy treatments and make existing ones better.
This approach cuts down on the time between data collection and meaningful action. It also ties in with retrieval-augmented generation, ensuring the AI always has fresh facts available. Near-infinite memory could also help with climate forecasting, enabling AI to process decades of environmental data instantly to predict long-term shifts. By seamlessly accessing large pools of data, these models become more accurate, more current, and more adaptable to changing conditions. Number 4. Very specific models. While some AI tools are broad in scope, others zero in on a single task. A model might specialize in detecting a specific type of eye condition linked to diabetes, and that's all it does. Because it focuses on one area, it can outperform more generalized AI solutions in terms of accuracy. This specialized approach extends to fields like manufacturing, finance, or agriculture, where pinpoint precision is vital. If you're running a factory, you might install a model that exclusively monitors one machine component for signs of wear. By keeping its focus narrow, the model excels at catching issues that would slip past a human inspector. These very specific models offer targeted expertise and often require less training time, since they rely on data specific to the problem at hand. They also build trust in AI because they're easier to test and validate. No one expects them to solve everything, just the task they were built for. Number 3. Insanely large language models. On the opposite end of the spectrum, AI researchers are pushing the limits with very large models that require entire data centers to train. Google DeepMind, for example, is competing with other organizations in creating bigger and more versatile language and video models. Microsoft is reportedly investing around $80 billion in AI-enabled data centers, anticipating a market where people want AI systems to act like multifunctional assistants. The logic is that larger models can pick up on patterns smaller models miss. They're more adept at tasks like nuanced language translation, complex image generation, or making sense of scientific data. While these systems do raise concerns about energy usage and the potential for biased data, the tech world shows no sign of abandoning them. Their versatility is too appealing, and the race is on to see which company can build the most powerful yet efficient model. Number 2. Inference time compute. Training a model is one thing, but using it in real time, referred to as inference, is another challenge. Inference time compute is all about making sure an AI system can make predictions or decisions on the spot without consuming excessive resources. If you have a self-driving car, for instance, it needs to identify road signs, pedestrians, and other vehicles in a fraction of a second. Slow or inefficient inference could mean the difference between a smooth ride and a dangerous delay. The same goes for cameras in Devon and Cornwall, which deploy AI to detect signs of impaired driving in real time. Without optimized inference, the system wouldn't be fast enough to catch violations before the moment passed. Tech companies are refining hardware and software to reduce computational load, which is essential when you want widespread adoption. If inference is slow and costly, AI won't be practical outside specialized settings. By pushing for faster inference, developers open the door for AI to be integrated into everyday products, from smartphones to security systems. Number 1. Agentic AI. Agentic AI is the top trend because it's where machines begin to make decisions with less human oversight. Although it's not about AI completely replacing people, it does mean AI can handle tasks we previously thought required direct human commands. Supply chain logistics is one example. If a route gets blocked by severe weather, an AI can automatically reroute shipments or reorder essentials without waiting for a manager's go-ahead. In agriculture, AI systems monitor crop health continuously, deploying drones to water certain fields or apply treatments in real time. This level of autonomy raises questions about accountability. If an AI system acts on its own and something goes wrong, who's at fault? Patent and legal experts are also debating whether AI can be listed as an inventor for patents.
Well, every day, humans interact with some form of artificial intelligence, but could AI actually violate our human rights?
Especially in cases like fractal container designs generated by Dabus, an earlier AI system. While agentic AI promises efficiency by taking over routine tasks, it also signals a new phase where humans will play more of a supervisory or strategic role rather than an operational one. However, soon enough, even humans won't be able to control these agents, but that's another topic for another video. If you have made it this far, let us know what you think in the comments section below. For more videos like this one, make sure you watch the recommended video on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.